Colored pencils. Any size will work. Any size. Even a big size of paper. So magical science. I'm kidding. Magic. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to draw a baby talking Tom
by following one of our favorite YouTubers, Even Kids Can Draw.
Things that you'll need is a pencil, a Sharpie, and marker. And you need a piece of paper. Any size will work.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yep. Let's get started. But not a tiny piece of paper. That's too tiny.
The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for his wool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel. The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel. The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, give us a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see how to draw more things and Talking Tom, go check out Even Kids Can Draw. That's the end of our video. See you in the next one. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.